Croatia is a small country in southern Europe with just about 4 million people. About 200,000 of them live in the city of Split. It might be a small city, but it's got a lot to give. I had never been there before and I really didn't have any expectations. I only knew that everyone who had been there loved it. So I was excited to finally get there, and Split really delivered. The old town with its countless narrow streets and historic buildings is insanely gorgeous. Every building looks like a masterpiece and you're surrounded by the ancient feeling of the white brick structures. The city of Split is a combination of old and new, worn out and polished, rugged and beautiful. Split is not just an old town. It's a city right by the sea with a lot of nature surrounding it. The shoreline with its crystal clear water is incredible. You've got extremely beautiful mountain landscapes everywhere. And if you get bored of the city, you are really close to the Krka National Park, which is one of the most beautiful places I have ever been to. In Krka, anywhere you look, there's a waterfall more beautiful than the previous one. The waterfall surrounded by the green forest and the sounds of the nature were like from a fairy tale. I hadn't been to Split or any part of Croatia before, but now that I have, I definitely want to go again.